In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use certain functions in Bot Creator software. Click Open Browser. A browser that will appear is where you run your automation tests. The first function is Load URL. This function is used to visit web pages using specific links you provided. Type the link you want to visit and click Save. As an example, I'm going to create a bot that will visit Yandex.com, then type a keyword and click the search button to get the search results. To run your project, click on Run Project button. The bot visited Yandex.com as instructed. Next thing I want to do is to type a keyword in the search box. To do that, I use SendKeys method, to type text in text fields. In order to tell the bot the page element you want to interact with, open the Page Inspector which comes with your browser. To do that, right-click. And then click Inspect. Look at the top left corner and click on the first button. Then hover over the page element to inspect. Right-click, go to Copy. And copy the XPath of the element. Paste the XPath in the bot and click Find the Elements. When the element is found, it will be covered by a green border. Enter your text you want to type and click Save. So far my bot is able to visit Yandex.com, and type a keyword in the search box, so let's run this and see if it works. Yes, it works. The next step is to click this search button. To click on page elements, I use Click Element function. Like I did before. I'm going to inspect this button and copy its XPath. My bot is ready now. I'm going to run it and see if it works fine. The bot worked successfully. Now I'm going to make another small example, by logging into my IG account. The next function I'm going to talk about is Wait for Element. This function is used to wait for elements that takes long time to appear on a web page. As usual, I will copy the element's XPath and paste it in the bot. But this function takes more than just the XPath to work. You also provide the seconds it will wait. The other and most important feature about this bot. You can create variables and store data to access them whenever you need. Variables are like stores where you can keep your data, and in this software there's different types of variables. There's a float, which is numbers. There's string, which is text. And there's table, which is a special one which can store multiple data. But in this tutorial I will use string. Name your variable, select the type you want to use and click Create Variable. In the text box, type in the value of your variable and click Save. Check from variable and select the variable name that contains the suitable value you want to use. Let's run this and see how it works. Nice, the bot entered the username and password correctly. Now I'm going to click the login button to login. I think my IG bot is ready, now it's time to run it. As you can see, the bot logged me into my IG account successfully. In the next tutorial I will show how to read and receive emails. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.